Good morning, my friends. Welcome to Trading KS. Today is 6th of April 2023. So today we want to take a quick look at a Gtronic technology Berhad 7022. Okay, Gtronic 7022. Okay, so we saw this Gtronic, right? From last week, our analysis, we saw that Gtronic could be heading for a rebound after a long-term drop. Okay, so we want to take a quick look at management and take a quick look at the fundamental, and of course we have to do some chart analysis on the Gtronic longer term chart analysis, right? So before we start, disclaimer first. Disclaimer: be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, Gtronics. So Gtronics, short introduction of Gtronics. Okay, let's check out what is let's do a short introduction according to KLSE screener.
Gtronic Technology Berhad is a Malaysia-based investment holding company. The company operates through its 8 subsidiaries: Gtronic SDN, BHD, ISO Technology SDN, BHD, Gtronic, KL, SDN, BHD, Gtronic Manufacturing SDN, BHD, Gtronic, HK, Limited, Gtronic Industries SDN, BHD, Gtronic Medical Technology SDN, BHD, and Gtronic International Incorporated, Gtronic SDN, BHD, is engaged in assembling and testing integrated circuits, optoelectronic products and technical plating services. ISO Technology SDN, BHD, is engaged in manufacturing small outline components, light-emitting diode components and modules, and technical plating services for the semiconductor industry. Gtronic Manufacturing SDN, BHD, is engaged in the development and assembling of sensors and optical products for smart mobile and wearable applications. Gtronic, HK, Limited is involved in the trading of electronics, semiconductor components.
Okay, so let's check out the website, take a quick look. So it's engaged in semiconductor manufacturing, die sawing, auto die sorting, auto pure tin and tin bismuth plating, auto die attach wire bonding, automatic optical inspection. Okay, it also has this LED service. Okay, LED packaging capability and encoding sensor packaging capability. And then another one is this one, chemical IDM service. Okay, semicon related chemical, solder wire, all this, epoxy, adhesive, aerosol, paint, solvent, wastewater treatment chemical, various diluted raw chemical, IBC drum packaging provider, daily delivery services available. Okay, so mainly semiconductor, LED, and some chemical service. Okay, for this Gtronic. So let's take a quick look at the board of key senior management. Okay, so key senior management, executive chairman Mr. Kok Yew, CEO Ms. Heng Chen Yi,
CFO, Mr. Ng Kok Chun, and President of Business and Operation, Mr. Yip Wei Ji. Okay, so quite a young board, huh? Okay, okay, it's a Chinese-based company. Look like there's no. Let's see, got any big shot. Okay, so not many these are big shot tattoo times 3 inside, okay. So nonetheless, let's check out the what is the fundamental, okay. So let's look at return on equity, ROE, okay, 15.09, okay, quite good. PE 17.08, okay, just good lah, not too high, not too low, okay. Earning per share, EPS 6.79, okay, not bad. NTA, net tangible asset 0.45. Price to book value 2.58. So the price is slightly higher now, okay, slightly high. Okay, market cap 776 million. Okay, so this company okay lah, not bad lah for this semiconductor assembly. 776 million, so quite big company. Look at the cash, 201 million, no debt by this company. Okay, so this company is quite well managed. Okay, no debt problem, so no debt issue. Look at the end performance. Annually P&L. So their performance is how do you call it? Not consistent. Okay, some month very high, some year high, some year low. Okay, so the worst one. Okay, why the price is coming down? The first one is the previous year. Okay, 2022 financial year 2022, where they only make 179 revenue, 179 million, and a 45 million profit. Okay, profit still okay. Okay, the worst profit is 2016. Then that is 2019. Okay, now this 45. These are 2022 also. Okay, it's one of the worst. Okay, the best one from 2015 onwards is 2015 73 million. Okay, 73 million, and the highest revenue also is on 2015 343 million. The previous financial year is 179 million. Okay, it's one of the worst performance of the company since 2015. Look at dividend. Okay, dividend. Okay, starting 131415 17 cents. Okay, now it's 6 cents. So it's drop. Continue to drop. Okay, so the company performance is how do you call it? It's on a downtrend. Okay, on a downtrend. Okay, on a downtrend. So let's look at quarterly report. Okay. So they are averaging around 40 over last year. Okay, this the latest financial year. Okay, 40 over million every month. The previous year 40 to 50. Okay, 2020 is 60. Okay, if the financial year 23 they want to have a better performance, they need to start to pump up the revenue over over 40 lah, 50 like that. If you see first second quarter 50 60, then they might have a better year. Okay, if the first second quarter come out 30 over 40 means probably they will remain the same. They didn't get any new big contract coming in. Okay, so we have to continue to monitor. Hopefully the first second quarter, if it show very good, okay, it show they show 50 60 like that, then maybe they will have a turnaround this year. Hopefully they can do that. Okay, so okay, let's dive into the chart. Gtronic. Okay, let's see where is the lowest point of Gtronic. Okay, let's go to the weekly. Okay, so Gtronic low point is at 10 cents. Okay, 0.9. But their business has been doing well. They has been going up, but now they are on the downtrend. Okay, they are on the downtrend, so they are starting to make one low. This is a very significant point. This low. Okay, you have to watch this low. This is a very significant point. Okay, which is 93 cents. So the price almost touched the 93 cents, 99 cents here. Okay, so this could be a point that it will, could be a rebound point. We see we got M Invest give it 1.47, right? Okay, so there is potential. So this company, they after the expert calculate their performance, you know, their fundamental, everything, they come up with a target 1.47. Okay, so there is a potential that this company actually, okay, can do better. Okay, means goes back to this 1.45 as the bank suggests. Okay, so now, right, it really make a low here. We know here is a low. Okay, a very big drop in 2016, and it started rebound here. Okay, and another low is here, 1.18. 1.18, we almost get rebound a few times. So you see, so 1.18 now become a very important, okay, support, resistance. So it can go through 1.18, 1.19, right? So it really got chance to come back up, probably to the M Invest target. Okay, so we know that it almost reached a very important low here, which is 0.915. It almost reached, but didn't reach. So it's starting to rebound. Okay, it's starting to rebound. If it can hold above 1.19, then it got chance, because here is a very important resistance. Okay, a big support last time. Okay, a big support area last time, and now it's starting to pop up. While it can hold, okay, it can hold above, it got a good chance. Okay, it got a good chance. First, let's see whether it meet our rebound requirement or not. Okay, we got a downtrend channel. Did we have RSI divergence? Yes. Okay, RSI divergence. Price going low, and RSI make a slightly higher low. Okay, so we got a divergence here. Okay, we got a divergence criteria here. Then does it have a breakout? Yes, the price starting to break out from this downtrend channel, right? We see this downtrend channel. Okay, we see this downtrend channel. Okay, this downtrend channel, right? This downtrend channel. Okay, this downtrend channel, right? Okay, so price already broken out. Okay, price already broken out. Okay, so we got our breakout. Okay, so do we have red color momentum? Yes. Okay, red color momentum means institution starting interest to buy. Okay, institution are starting have interest to collect this stock. Okay, when institution collect, you got chance to rebound. Okay, if the institution don't play this stock, will be all yellow only, yellow and green, so no chance, very less. Okay, when you see stock red coming in, there's potential. Okay, do we have a reversal pattern? Okay, we are starting to track what? Head and shoulder, right? We are starting to track a head and shoulder. Okay, it's starting to form a head and shoulder. Okay, so has it broken through the neckline? Let's check the neckline. Where is the neckline? Let's double check where's the neckline. Okay, here is one low, here is one low. Okay, so it started to break through the neckline. Okay, it broken through the neckline. Looks like it. Okay, it broken through the neckline. Okay, so it does have chance. Once it go through 1.19, right, a very important resistance here. I put it 1.20, easier for you to to read. Okay, 1.20. If it can sustain above here, okay, it does have chance to go back up. Okay, since this company is a company that giving dividend and company still making profit. Okay, but this 2023 financial year, right, you have to watch. Okay, this one quarter report. Okay, if it start to pump up quarter report, okay, don't look at the profit first. Okay, look at the revenue first. If it can consistently pump up revenue, okay, which are over 50, now it's 40 over, right? Okay, if it can consistently pump up first quarter, second quarter, 50 over, then we are probably looking for a, okay, we are probably have potential looking for better performance, okay, a better performance than last year, then we should have a chance for it to, okay, long term have a rebound. Now potential, of course, a target we have to see this M Invest. M Invest got give one target 1.47. So let's see let's see the weekly. Where is a big resistance here? Okay, big resistance. So it come back here. Okay, here. Okay, here is a big resistance. Okay, around 1.8. Okay, 1.8. Okay, this one. Okay, you see, okay, resistance becomes support. Okay, so it's around this area. Okay, so potential M Invest target, yes, do have potential to go there, 1.47. Okay, so this one we want to watch long term. Okay, long term. I'm not saying this one could go back, could go up in a 1 month, 2 months. We are talking about long term. 1 year, 2 years, up even back to 3 years. You know, a few years time. Okay, so you see from a previous rebound here, right? You see a rebound here. Okay, to the top here. How long the? Okay. Okay, you see this rebound. Okay, we just do a comparison. Okay, this rebound. When it hit the bottom here, this rebound. Okay, this rebound. Okay, to the high here. Okay, it takes 146 days. Okay, so 140 over this. So it's not, you don't expect it to go up extremely quickly. But if the quarter report, okay, if I see the quarter report coming back, okay, the first, second quarter, okay, giving higher performance, then it should go up even faster. Okay, this is just my idea of Gtronic. I'm not saying it sure will go up. Okay, I'm not saying that it sure is a profitable stock, but looking at the fundamental, looking at the performance, current performance, and also looking at the chart, there is an opportunity for it to go up. Even you see, even the bank, okay, also did a calculation that thinks it do have a chance to go up. Okay, when give it a higher target means the price now is below the value. Okay, the target that the bank calculated. Okay, so that's it for Gtronic. Okay, this is one more thing. Don't forget subscribe, like, share, comment. Of course, okay, this is very important. Your support is very important, and also don't forget to comment. And the first time you're watching this video, don't forget to subscribe. Do take note. Now not every day a few days in a week I will do this afternoon session, which is here. Okay, this is here. I call it individual stock. Okay, you go to my playlist. Okay, you go to Trading with KS. You see the playlist here. Okay, playlist. You click the playlist. You see individual stock. Okay, you see the view the full playlist. You can see I do individual analysis on Dialog, Alesto, all these longer term. Okay, not the touch and go. Not the short term. Saipa, Berjaya, Unisem, Famaniaga. We got Armada, MBMA, we got EG, my EG, Sunville, Prolexus, Top Glove, I also did, Revenue, Franken, all this. Okay, this is one by one. I do not the evening show that. Okay, I go through the market quickly, and see the chart. This is, we look at the fundamental, we look at the company profile a bit, we look at the this one, the management team a bit, then we look at the chart, okay, to analyze, okay, whether this stock according to our analysis is potential or not. Okay, so I'll talk to you again. Say bye bye.